Hi everyone, it's Andrew from &RC, and I'm going to do a quick reveal, unboxing, whatever you care to call it. What is it? It is this. It is... well, that wasn't very good, was it? It is one of these. So it is a Tamiya Honda CB750F non-remote control, old-fashioned 12-scale plastic kit. Now, this little beauty is going to go in the trailer for the MC, which you've probably should have seen, hopefully can. You still go back and have a look at the unboxing for the new trailer that has arrived recently at &RC Towers. So let's have a look inside it. I haven't bought a plastic model kit for a long time. It's the usual multiple colour schemes, which is nice. So I expect we'll have maybe some different decals and stuff, but I like these retro. It's a beautiful retro looking machine. Let's have a little look. So what have we got? Two different coloured sprues. That's nice. Look, the engine is a sort of metallic grey. Right, so get them out of the bag now. So here we go. We've got the chrome and the metallic grey sprues. The metallic grey is the engine block, by all accounts. We've got the brake discs here. Only 3 of them, of course, 2 on each side of the front wheel and 1 at the back because the chain wheel is on the other side. Engine block, beautiful. Might get away without painting it. That sounds like a promising idea. If it glues together without too many obvious seam lines, and then I'll just texture it, put some highlights on it and so on to bring the detail out. But it's quite a good colour as it stands. Yeah, I don't know whether these engine blocks were painted or whether they are literally aluminium colour, unpainted. But aluminium wears, doesn't it? They don't stay a factory colour for long. So yes, nice. And then the chrome parts, these nicely chromed, obviously. But I have a bit of an issue with chrome parts. I think at 10 scale, 12 scale, you can't scale the chrome finish. You can't scale down the effect. Even a brand new motorcycle chrome isn't like this chrome. So definitely these engine covers and so on are very nice and appear to be molded in the right places, so that there's no seam lines or anything on them, which is great. Typical Tamiya attention to detail. So they'll probably get matted down, maybe a satin coat at most, to kind of scale back the shine on them. The exhaust, I think, will be painted black. They're going to have seam lines. You can see the exhaust pipes in 2 halves here, so join them together, you're going to have a nice big seam line, which I'm not going to get on with at all. Being a bit OCD, you don't want to see a big seam line down the top of this lovely exhaust pipe. So one of the versions of this I saw, what the Tamiya did, I think it's like a high performance version or some limited edition run. Anyway, it had black exhausts, and I don't think it's a big stretch to matte black the exhausts and downpipes, which I guess is what these are, once they're tidied up. So they should look a lot better construction wise anyway. What else did we have? We've got a little bag of clear parts, so it's the indicator lenses, headlight lens, brake light and so on, all nicely textured as well. And you can make that out on the footage there, but it's got all the appropriate etchings and stuff and textures on the brake lights, and yeah, very nice. The body panels, so we've got the fuel tank at the top and then the side panel. So that runs down here, this part here. Yeah, there's that bit, and then you've got the mud guards, which again, you've got the front mud guard in 2 halves. Okay, I suppose it probably makes it easier to mould it, I don't know, but we're going to have a seam line, so it's going to have to be filled and sanded and cut out. Rear seat unit sits in there. We've got a black sprue, which has got the wheels. Yeah, so you've got the wheel rim as one piece each wheel, and then you've got the opposite side of the spoke rim arrangement to paint up and then glue on. So that makes it quite easy to paint and get the chrome or the bare metal effect on the raised sections. Yeah, should work quite nicely. We've got the handlebar yoke, which is black. Is it black on the box? Yeah, so there's a black part of the, this is all black. This is the black yoke here. We've got the black seat, even with the moulded in grab strap for the passenger. What are these? What's this? Is that maybe the fuel tank or something? Oh, I'm a bit of a loss for what that is. Well, all will be revealed, I'm sure. Yeah, a bit of a loss for what that is. I don't recognise that on a motorbike. Anyway, and the last sprue, black again. We've got the chain wheel, we've got the body frame, the rear number plate carrier at the back, dials, you know, instrument dials here, the clocks as they would be known, the handlebars and so on. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Lots of delicate, kind of long, thin sections. I hope they come off the sprues okay. It will be a little bit of a worry that as you cut a sprue away, it's not going to snap this, you know. So I'll cut that with a saw, probably with a plastic saw, rather than using snips which twist the plastic. Maybe a scalpel blade will cut through that nicely as well. So just a little bit of care with some of these really thin parts, getting them off the tree. But yeah, it's really nice, man. There's the rubber tyres. I'm not going to take these out because there's a bunch of screws in there as well. A bit of hose for the throttle brake cable. I don't know. Yeah, the tyres are nice. So they've got a little texture on them. Need a little bit of a rub down probably just to get the seam taken off the middle of them. But yeah, all in all, very nice. The decals are, yeah, they're lovely. Let's have a look at the instructions. So here it is. There's the. Let's have a look at the back. So the Honda CB750F is offered in Magnum Metallic, Magnum, okay, not Magnum, Magnum, whatever that is, Metallic Silver, Candy Bourgogne Red, and Black. So you got the three. Anyhow, but there you go. So that is another little build project that I have stacked up now with the trailer. And this, I've got the 10 scale Willys Jeep incoming as well. That's the banggood.com, you know, imported RC 10 scale JJRC, or it's not WPL, I know that much. I can't remember exactly what manufacturer it is. So that should be the next unboxing, I would expect. So Tamiya CB750F 12 scale in the house. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.